At ito na nga guys, minasyahan ulit natin pa-islant. Dahil yung una pataas, pababa. Ngayon pa-islant naman para sarado batak, yung sinasabi nila. Para yung mga lubog-lubog mahahabol. Para maganda kalabasan. Pinas forward na natin para mabilis tayo. Para hindi tayo kuyakoy, para mabilis yung video natin. At dito na nga dumating na nga si Foreman at ang isa nating kasamahan. Tamang kwento-kwentuhan lang, tamang gulo lang. Ayan. Habang gumagawa tayo, nakipagkwentuhan. Para daw matapos agad. At ayan na nga. Pinaalis ko na. At ayun na nga guys, tapos na natin masilihan, taas baba. Ngayon magliliha naman tayo. Lilihain na natin. Yan, liya-liya na, mekos-mekos na yan. At kapag magliliha nga tayo guys, lagi tayo may takip sa mukha. At may takip sa ilong para yung alikabok hindi natin nalalanghap. Dahil pag nalanghap natin yan, diretso yan sa baga, magkakasakit tayo ng wala sa oras. Ingatan natin ang sarili natin. At dinalaw naman tayo ng isa nating kasamahan. At ayan, sumilip pa nga sa camera, tumingin ng oras kung anong oras na.
Am I real? Do the words I speak before you make me feel that the love I've got for you see no ending? Well, if you look into my eyes, then you should know that you have nothing here to doubt, nothing to fear. And you can lay your questions down, 'cause if you hold me, we can fade into the night, and you know the world could die and everything may lie, still you should cry. 'Cause time may pass, but longer than it lasts, I'll be by your side. Gently close your eyes so you could understand that there's no
At ito na nga guys, pagkatapos natin liyain, ngayon pinturahan naman natin ceiling. Pag nagpipintura pala tayo, lagi natin unahin yung ceiling para yung wool hindi natutuluan or napapatakan, para hindi tayo paulit-ulit ng gawa.
life is short, my darling, tell me that.
Laging nauna lagi yung sa taas bago baba.
So we can fade into the night and you'll know the world could die and everything behind. Still you should cry. 'Cause time may pass, but longer than it lasts, I'll be by your side. You call me. It's funny how we get on so easily. We're just friends.
So ayun guys, tapos na tayo sa ceiling. Ngayon sa wool naman tayo. Pagulungan naman natin ngayon yung wool.
Got yours, I've got mine.
Ayan, pinagulong-gulong na yan.
But we're
Mekos-mekos na yan Insa.
each other. We're starting to show our feelings, and people can tell. Every time that your eyes meet mine, I light up like a neon sign. Yes, we're getting to know each other a little too well. We have lunch every now and then, and I find myself humming love songs again and again. Oh, too many nights.
At ito na nga guys, ang pinakaabangan ng lahat. So ayun, ito na. Ito na yung finish natin. Tapos na natin.
That it's hopeless to go on with.
Ayan yung sala nila.
We are getting to know each other.
At ito naman yung kwarto.
Starting to show our feelings, and people can tell.
Tapos na natin pagandahin.
Every time that your eyes meet mine,
Sunod naman natin at yung balcony.
yes, we're getting to know each other. Getting to know each other a little too well. You're the one who never lets us sleep.
Dito na rin pala yung kitchen nila.
Turn your mind down to my soul, you
At
touch.
saka ito nga pala yung CR.
That I can't wait to
So yun guys, tapos na. Maraming salamat sa nanonood. At patuloy na nanonood ng aking video. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na suporta nyo sa akin guys. Maraming salamat. At huwag niyong kakalimutan mag-like and follow.